Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to our channel and not miss out on anything you need to scale your cleaning business to six figures and beyond. How? So I'm so excited. I have the CEO of, would you go ahead and tell us about your company, introduce your company?
Yes, my name is Reginald Norwood. I'm with West and South Properties out of Baltimore, Maryland.
Okay. Good. Well, hello. We're so glad to have you here. We are interviewing Reginald today because he won his first contract. He is one of our clients, and he's going to tell you a couple of things about what he did to actually win the contract. He won out of his area. I know sometimes I'll do YouTube videos on telling you, do not get discouraged. Hang in there. If there is not either, if there's too much competition in your area, like we are in the DC area and he's in Maryland, or if there is nothing in your area, if it's on one of those two extremes, you can find something out of your area. So Reginald, could you give us a little background, walk us into, I think you registered in Georgia, you registered in Maryland and in South Carolina. Could you tell us why you did it and how you did it?
Yes, so I'm in the DMV location. So here in the DMV, basically, every state is different. And I pretty much had to, of course, you have to register, with the state. The state of South Carolina, I had to register as a vendor. I didn't have to have, a license, nor did I have to have a residence there, but I just had to register as a vendor in order to compete for their contracts. In the state of Georgia, basically, it's different, because I have to have at least a resident there in order to compete for their contracts. So again, every state is different. You just have to, go on the state website and see what the requirements are. But I would suggest anyone, if you're looking to get on, whether it's local, state, federal contracts, make sure foundationally, you have all of your paperwork in order. Because that's the first thing that they're going to look at. If you're not registered, with whether it be SAM, whether it be, have age code, you have EIN number, you have to have all that stuff in place in order to compete for their contracts, So then, like I said, you also have to go online and see what the requirements are in order to also compete for their contracts.
Okay, well, I wanted to repeat that because I could tell our sound was going in and out a little bit. So you were saying you want to go online and look at what the state requirements were. Georgia had certain requirements, you had to be a resident, so on and so forth. South Carolina did not. And Reginald, I know that it is something that you can do on your own, but would you say having a company that has been there, did that help being with us as a client? I know we prepared the bid for you. We did some consulting. Would you say that helped, or what would be your opinion about that?
Oh, without a doubt. Trust me. You don't get here alone. You need help, and I reached out, to Victoria and her company, and trust me, I thank you all from the bottom of my heart, because you all have truly been, not only, you all been a blessing to me.
Well, thank you so much. Well, we thank you, and you are a great client because you didn't give up. It wasn't overnight. We sent several bids. Some were too large, some were too far. So it was like, we kept in there, you kept in there. And so you're one of our favorite clients, like an idol client, where you kept the faith, you kept going, you did your part as well. Thank you so much for being one of our clients. We value all our clients. And last but not least, we just want to tell individuals, don't give up on the government walk. It is so worth it. You can actually become a millionaire. Seriously, this is one of the routes that you become a millionaire and leave generational wealth for your family, your family's family. And that's one of those roads that you can take. Business definitely changes lives. It has changed mine. I am a testimony to that. last but not least, Reginald, your Facebook family has said some congrats to you. So just tell them how much you appreciate them saying congrats. They were already congratulating you yesterday. We've got a really active Facebook group. And if you could just say hello to them, we'd appreciate it.
Hey, Facebook family, I just want to say thank you, thank you, thank you for all of your support. Big ups to Victoria and her team. You know, I couldn't have done it without them. And I'm just looking for greater and brighter things, ahead. So thank you, Victoria. Thank you, Facebook family. I'm looking forward, I'm looking forward to working with Victoria for more content.
Well, great. And thank you to our YouTube family as well. We don't want to forget you. And this is going to conclude our interview with Reginald. Once again, if you guys want to know more about government contracts, then do me a favor. Make sure you click the link, register for our free workshop where you can go step by step, where we take you in through all the things we did with Reginald. Also, space is limited, so make sure you register. The link is in the description. Until next time, be safe, take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.